So students, so we were solving this question number 5, no? So we have solved that. We have got that it is equals to 1 minus cos 8a by cos 8a and into cos 4a by 1 minus cos 4a. Okay, so students, we have a formula which is that I have written here. We have studied a formula. It is that 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta. Okay, 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta. You have studied this in formula. So here is 4a, 1 minus cos 4a. In place of 1 minus cos 4a, can we write 2 sin square 4a, just half. Here is, what was here? Actually here was 2a, so we write just theta. जितना 2 थीटा है तो 1 थीटा, यहाँ 4, यहाँ 8a है तो 4a. ओके, and by cos 8a, let it as it is, and right here cos 4a by, again we will also use the same formula, 1 minus cos 4a, we can write 2 sin square 2a, sin square just 2a. Okay, and now see what can we do. Can we write the same thing but in a different way? Can you write 2 sin square a, ठीक है, not sin square a, actually just do some mistake. So can we write 2 sin 4a and then cos 4a, and then we will write, this is 4, okay, this is 4, then we can write again sin 4a, because here was sin square 4a. Okay, so sin 4a and sin 4a, and the whole is divided by cos 8a into 2 sin square 2a. Okay, now students, see what I am thinking to do. This one and this one take in as in a bracket. So 2 sin 4a into cos 4a, this is also a formula. We have a formula, it is that sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So we can also write that 2 cos theta into sin theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta equals to sin 2 theta. In the same way 2 sin 4a into cos 4a, तो can we write 2 sin 4a into cos 4a के बदले में क्या हम लिख सकते हैं, क्या लिख सकते हैं, only sin 8a. Can we write? Of course we can write. So we can write sin 8a, and here is left one more sign, na? So here is left sin 4a. Okay, this sin 4a I have written, and now cos 8a into 2 sin square 2a. Okay, so here is cos 8a, and here written 2 sin square 2a. Okay, now see, अब sin 8a by cos 8a, this can be written as what? This can be written as tan 8a, and here sin 4a, in place of sin 4a can we write 2 sin 2a into cos 2a and by 2 sin square 2a. Okay, so 2 and 2 cancel and sin 2a say only one square is cancelled. Okay, so thereafter we will be with tan 8a and cos 2a by sin 2a कितना हो जाएगा, नीचे आकर हो जाएगा tan 2a. Okay, so this is the result. Now check which one is correct. Tan 8a by tan 2a. Is there any option? Tan 8a by tan 2a. Yes, it is. Option B is correct. Tan 8a by tan 2a. Okay, now we will understand the next question. It is 6 number.